The job search process can feel overwhelming. Endless applications, waiting for replies, and constant competition. But with the right strategy, finding the right job becomes not just easier, but much more effective. The first step is clarify before you start applying everywhere. Ask yourself, what role am I targeting? What skills do I have? What industry excites me? A clear direction saves time and improves results. Next comes your resume and cover letter. Think of your resume as a personal advertisement. It should be clean, updated, and tailored for each job. Highlight your achievements, not just your responsibilities. And always use keywords from the job description because many companies use automated systems to filter resumes. In today's world, networking is just as important as applying online. Platforms like LinkedIn help you connect with recruiters, join professional groups, and get noticed. Sometimes a single message to the right person can lead to an opportunity you will never find on a job portal. But yes, applying is still crucial. Use trusted job sites, company career pages, and recruitment platforms. Instead of sending one generic application to 50 companies, send 10 high-quality tailored applications. Quality beats quantity every time. Once interviews start coming in, preparation becomes your superpower. Research the company, understand the role, and practice common interview questions. Show confidence, ask smart questions, and be ready to explain your strengths with real examples. The process isn't just about finding a job, it's about finding the right job. With clear goals, a strong resume, smart networking, and thoughtful applications, you're not just waiting for opportunities, you're creating them.